Hi, to power on your Samsung Galaxy A34, you would need to simply take a look at its right side first. Here you'll find volume up and down buttons and this power button, which we need to press and hold till we see the Samsung logo appears on the screen. And now we can release the button and just wait a couple of seconds till it will turn on again. After that, if you have a PIN code on your SIM card, you would need to enter it. And now let's just wait a couple of more seconds. Great, now it's on and we need to enter a PIN code. So that is what I'm gonna do now. Also, sometimes right after you turn on your phone, it can lag a bit, so don't worry, that is totally normal. Just give your phone a few minutes to load, and now you can use it as you did before. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.